All right, for the last one here, they want us to find what is the general term a sub n for this sequence. So you're trying to figure out what's the pattern going on here. Why don't you pause the video, try this one on your own, and see how you do. All right, let's see what you got. On this one thing, thinking of the first term as either 1 over 1 might be a little bit easier to see. So then you can see all of them have a numerator that has 1. We are alternating back and forth between positive and negative. So that tells us we're going to want to either have negative 1 to the n or negative 1 to the n minus 1 in our a sub n term. Also, the denominator is different powers of 2 because it's 2 to the 0 power is 1, and then 2 to the first power is 2, 2 squared is 4, 2 to the third is 8, and so on. So two ways you could write this one. If you were to start at 1, we would do this one. So you'd have negative 1 to the n minus 1 because we want that first one to come out positive. So we don't just want this because that would give us our first one as negative. And then for the bottom, it would have to be n minus 1 as well so that the first one is 2 to the 0 power, so we get 1 over 1. If you were going to start it at 0, then you'd want to use this bottom one, and that would be another way to write it so that you get the same sequence. So either one of those, depending on what you started at, would be a good a sub n term for this one.